Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting research topic to discuss that explores the impact of employee empowerment on organizational commitment and job satisfaction. The best part is that you can choose any industry or company you're familiar with to complete this research. So, let's dive in and discover the importance of this fascinating topic. Understanding the relationship between employee empowerment, organizational commitment, and job satisfaction is crucial in today's dynamic business environment. It not only helps organizations enhance their performance and productivity but also contributes to the overall well-being of their employees. By conducting research on this topic, you can gain valuable insights into how empowering employees can lead to higher commitment and job satisfaction, ultimately creating a win-win situation for both organizations and their employees. Now, you might be wondering which multinational corporations are suitable for this research. Well, the good news is that almost any multinational corporation can be a potential candidate. Companies such as Apple, Google, and Amazon have been at the forefront of empowering their employees, but you can choose any company from sectors like technology, retail, healthcare, or finance. The key is to select a company you're familiar with, making the research process more engaging and insightful. Chapter 1 Introduction. Let's talk about drafting Chapter 1, the Introduction. This chapter sets the stage for your research by providing a clear understanding of the research problem, its significance, and the overall rationale behind it. Here's how you can structure the introduction. Research problem. The research problem should address a specific issue or gap in the existing literature. For example, a research problem could be to investigate the relationship between employee empowerment and turnover intention in the retail industry. Research significance. Highlight the importance of your research topic in the introduction. Discuss how understanding the impact of employee empowerment can lead to improved organizational performance, increased job satisfaction, and reduced turnover rates. Research questions. Formulate clear research questions that guide your study. Here are 3 sample research objectives. What is the relationship between employee empowerment and organizational commitment? How does employee empowerment affect job satisfaction? What factors influence the level of employee empowerment within multinational corporations? Research objectives. Specify the objectives of your research. Here are 3 sample research questions. To assess the level of employee empowerment in multinational corporations. To examine the relationship between employee empowerment, organizational commitment, and job satisfaction. To identify the factors that hinder or enhance employee empowerment within organizations. Research rationale. Explain why your research is needed and how it fills the existing gap in knowledge. Emphasize the potential benefits of your findings for organizations and employees alike. Scope and limitations. Clearly define the scope of your research, including the boundaries and constraints. Discuss any limitations or potential challenges you might encounter during your study. Chapter 2 Literature. Moving on to Chapter 2, the Literature Review. This chapter provides a comprehensive analysis of existing studies and theories related to employee empowerment, organizational commitment, and job satisfaction. Here's how you can structure your literature review. Subtopics. Choose subtopics that align with your research objectives. Some suitable subtopics for this research could include theories of employee empowerment, models of organizational commitment, and factors influencing job satisfaction. Theories and models. Some theories and models you can adopt for this research are the job characteristics model, social exchange theory, and the psychological empowerment theory. These theories provide a framework to analyze the relationships between employee empowerment, organizational commitment, and job satisfaction. Chapter 3, Research Methodology. Next, let's discuss Chapter 3, the Methodology. This chapter outlines the research approach and methods you will use to collect and analyze data. Here are the key areas to focus on. Conceptual framework. Develop a suitable conceptual framework that includes 3 independent variables, such as employee empowerment, job autonomy, and leadership style, along with the dependent variable, organizational commitment. Research philosophy. For this type of research, a suitable research philosophy would be interpretivism. This approach allows you to explore the subjective experiences and perceptions of employees regarding empowerment, commitment, and job satisfaction. Research approach. A mixed methods approach combining quantitative and qualitative methods can be beneficial. This allows you to gather numerical data through surveys and conduct interviews or focus groups to gain deeper insights. Research strategy. A case study strategy would be suitable for this research, as it allows you to examine the phenomenon within a specific organization or industry context. Research choice. Based on the research approach and strategy, choosing a combination of surveys, interviews, and observations can provide a holistic understanding of the impact of employee empowerment on organizational commitment and job satisfaction. Chapter 4, Data Analysis. Now, let's move on to Chapter 4, the data analysis part. Depending on your research choice, here's how you can analyze your data. Quantitative analysis. If you've collected quantitative data through surveys, you can use statistical techniques such as regression analysis to assess the relationships between employee empowerment, organizational commitment, and job satisfaction. This will help you determine the significance of the variables and their impact. Qualitative analysis. If you've gathered qualitative data through interviews or focus groups, you can use thematic analysis to identify recurring themes and patterns. This will enable you to gain a deeper understanding of employees' experiences and perspectives on empowerment, commitment, and job satisfaction. Chapter 5, Conclusion and Recommendations. Lastly, let's discuss Chapter 5, the conclusion and recommendation part. This chapter summarizes your research findings and presents actionable recommendations based on your results. Conclusion. Summarize the key findings of your research, highlighting the relationships between employee empowerment, organizational commitment, and job satisfaction. Discuss any significant insights or unexpected results. Recommendations. Based on your findings, provide practical recommendations for organizations to enhance employee empowerment, increase organizational commitment, and improve job satisfaction. These recommendations could include implementing training programs, fostering a culture of trust and autonomy, or revising leadership practices. And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope this script has given you a clear understanding of how to explore the impact of employee empowerment on organizational commitment and job satisfaction. For access to a preliminary version of the research topic, please follow the hyperlink provided in the description. Remember, you have the freedom to choose any industry or company to conduct this research, making it more relevant and engaging for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your research experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy researching!